If life throws you a curveball and you suddenly have a $1,000 emergency expense, could you handle it without freaking out? Or will you have to scramble, borrow money, or worse, put it on a credit card with sky-high interest? According to a shocking 2024 study by Bankrate, a whopping 56% of Americans, that's more than half the population, cannot afford a surprise $1,000 expense if taken from their savings. That's right, over half the country is one unexpected bill away from a financial disaster. If you feel an overdue parking ticket could potentially send you straight to Cardboard City, then that's a serious problem. Financial stress can be a real buzzkill, turning your dreams into nightmares and making your bank account cry. But fear not, because today we are cracking the code used by the rich, the top 1%. Hi, I'm Kelvin, and we are about to dive into a super simple yet effective system, the 50-30-20% rule. And trust me, it's about to turn your financial front upside down. The beauty of the 50-30-20% rule is it works for anyone, regardless of your income level. Whether you make $1 million or $10,000 a year, it doesn't matter. This rule simply gives you a framework to take charge of your money. Imagine splitting your paycheck into 3 sections. The first chunk, 50% goes towards your needs, ensuring your basic living expenses are covered. However, defining needs can be tricky. For some people, that daily avocado toast is a non-negotiable need. It's the fuel that keeps their dream alive. But hey, no judgment here. As long as you can budget for it within your 50%, go for it. For the rest of us, needs typically include rental, utilities, groceries, and transportation. But what if your needs are currently exceeding that 50% amount? Well, you may want to adjust what you define as a need. Consider getting a roommate to share your apartment costs. Additionally, being more energy conscious can help. Simple things like turning off the lights when not in use and adjusting the thermostat can save on utility bills. You could also embrace generic brands at your grocery shop. Many store brands products are just as good as name brands at a fraction of the cost. Another way to cut back could be taking public transport. Buses and trains are often cheaper than owning a car. Don't be discouraged if exceeding the 50% limit seems unavoidable. See it as a chance to explore your options and be creative with your needs. By doing so, you will free up more cash for the fun stuff and achieve those future goals that make you excited. Now that we have tackled needs, let's talk about the fun stuff. The 50-30-20% rule allocates the next 30% of your income for wants. These are the experiences that fuel your life and brings you joy. Whether it's a weekend getaway, a concert ticket, or simply a relaxing night out with friends, these activities contribute big time to your overall well-being, acting as a built-in reward system and keeping you motivated to stick to your budget. This positive reinforcement reminds you that budgeting isn't about restriction, but also about creating a life you enjoy. Now, with a solid plan in place for your needs and wants, let's talk about the future. The remaining 20% in the 50-30-20% rule goes towards your savings with 2 important phases. The first phase is about building up your emergency fund, a comfy cushion to catch you from life unexpected bumps. Car trouble, medical bill surprises, no worries. Your emergency fund will swoop in to save the day. Remember the empowering feeling when things goes wrong and you can just say, I've got this. That's the confidence an emergency fund brings. Peace of mind, reduced stress, and the ability to sleep soundly every night. So, how much should you save? Aim for 6 to 9 months of living expenses and deposit that money in a highly liquid, high-interest savings account where it will earn interest while waiting for its moment to shine. Saving this much might seem like a daunting task, like climbing Mount Everest in your pajamas. Impossible! But here's the secret: consistency. Even the mightiest mountain is conquered one step at a time. Start by setting up an automated transfer to your high-interest savings account. Even a small amount consistently deposited adds up faster than you think. Before you know it, you will be looking at a healthy emergency fund. Once your emergency fund is built, it's time to move over to the second phase, investing. Let's face it, Saving is like putting your money on a cozy hammock under a palm tree. Sure, it's relaxing, but it's not going to get you very far. And that's where investing comes in. It's a turbo boost your money needs to launch you into financial freedom. Consider the story of Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha. He wasn't born with a silver spoon in his mouth. Instead, he built his incredible wealth by investing his money. Buffett's story is a powerful reminder that investing isn't a secret reserved for Wall Street tycoons. People from all walks of life, including doctors, teachers, and even your friends, are using investments to turn their savings into fuel for their dreams. Whether it's a beach getaway, a dream vacation, or an early escape from their daily grind. Sure, savings is a great first step. It keeps your money safe and easily accessible. But here's the challenge: inflation. Remember the delicious pizza you could grab for just $5 a few years back? It's $8 now! Inflation is like a sneaky thief that steals the buying power of your money over time. So, don't let inflation steal your dreams. By investing, you can turn your money into a powerful tool that conquers inflation and supercharge your dreams. Let's do some analysis together. Say you religiously save $500 a month for 30 years. That's a whopping $180,000. But here's the real game changer. If you invest the same $500 monthly at a 10% average annual rate of return, which is the historical average return for the stock market, you will be looking at over 1.1 million in 30 years. And that's the power of investing. Your money grows itself. Finally, a chance to bid adios to your daily grind. If you're wondering where do you even begin, don't worry, I've got you covered. I've linked a few videos in the description to help get you started on your wealth building journey. Let's ditch the cozy hammock and soar towards a future filled with freedom and fancy margaritas. So, there you have it, the 50, 30, 20% rule that will change your life forever. It's not just about budgeting, it's about taking control and empowering yourself. Remember, even small steps can lead to big results. By consistently allocating 50% to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings, you're building a foundation for financial security and achieving your dreams. Whether it's a dream vacation, a comfortable retirement, or simply a peace of mind, the choice is yours. Take control of your finances and watch your future flourish. Try the 50, 30, 20% rule for a month and see how it feels. Also, leave a comment below with your progress. And if you have already tried it, share your experience and inspire others. As always, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe for more insightful content to help you reach your financial goals. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.